whenever I would come home from school, I would be lost, bored, confused, didn't know what to do when I came home from school. So I would just watch YouTube videos. I just eat junk food, relapse, play video games, do random stuff that I knew was kind of bad for me, but it was just like, well, what else am I going to do with the time that I have? And even if I did work out a little bit or went outside for 5 minutes, it still felt like I was missing something. Felt like that I could be doing more, and I wanted something more exciting. And recently I've been doing exactly just that, living my life with more excitement and feeling like I have things to do after school. Waking up every day excited for a new day of experiences and opportunities in my life. I live my days with more meaning, more purpose, and I feel like every single day I'm getting closer and closer to the life that I actually want to live. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing things with you that would have helped me tremendously 1 or 2 years ago, even a few months ago, when I was bored when I came home from school. I wasn't sure on what I could do to get better as a person. And honestly, with these things I'm about to share with you, it's not like they're boring or they require some discipline. They're actually fun to do. It's actually exciting to do and gets you to look forward to the next day in your life. So if you feel like that's interesting, you like the environment I am in, like my voice a little bit, consider subscribing, because I post videos like these every single day to just share things with you that I could have benefited from a while ago. And I don't think I have all the answers to life, but I really feel like I've went from not knowing what to do with my life, bored all the time, lazy, miserable, to actually enjoying my life and filling up my day with excitement and fun, challenging things to do. And those fun, challenging things I'm doing every single day are daily experiences. So basically, every single day I write down an experience that I want to have in my life. Whether it's going to this one place after school, whether it's doing some small things like going on a different bus in my school or talking to this one person that I see in school. Just thinking of experiences, things that will develop me more as a person. They don't have to be some crazy expeditions, but just thinking of daily things that you can do which will really just put yourself out there more. Get yourself used to being in social situations and developing yourself more as a person. You know, it's not really like a one-size-fits-all thing for experiences that you can do, but just think of anything that will make all your other goals seem less than the goal that you actually accomplish. Make it so that other people might think that's kind of crazy and a little weird, but you find love in doing. And a perfect example I can give to you of this is recently I went to this random store around my house and I just walked there like 20 minutes, and then I asked the cashier there if I could have anything for free, and then that cashier actually gave me something for free. I walked out that store with 8 pieces of chicken, potatoes, fries, and everything. So that's a sick experience that I did in a day. And it developed me so much. It made me realize that I can just do so much in my life by just asking, that just going out my comfort zone a bit, and I learned so much about my life. And imagine doing something like that every single day, instead of going home, watching some random productivity video that you're not even gonna use. Actually going outside and doing something in your life. So I'll literally tell you what I did last week so you have an exact idea of what you can do. So Monday, I went on a walk at 5 a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning and just went to this cool little river place that was like a 20-minute walk from where I live. And then I just filmed myself being there for a minute, you know, like just a sick place. And then Tuesday, I went to this park that I was at and did 100 pull-ups there. And then Wednesday, I went on a completely different bus. You know, it doesn't have to be these big things, but the small thing of just going on a different bus, going in some new environment with new people, you know, just going on a little adventure. It was so fun. And then Thursday, I stayed after school and played soccer. And then Friday, I walked around the area that I lived and found a cool place to talk to you, which is what I'm doing right now. So really be creative with new experiences you can get. What are some challenging, fun things that can develop you more as a person? What are some small little things that you can take advantage of? Like doing something at school, doing something with all the free time that we both have. Because we can just watch YouTube videos, we could read a bunch of books, we could work out a little bit, but that's not gonna propel us that much to living the life that we want to live. So from now on, every single day, write down one thing that is a fun experience, is something that'll develop yourself, something that you will learn in your life. And every time I go outside or do something, I always end up learning something about myself. I always end up learning what I can do, what I can't do, what I need to work on. And that helps me so much more than watching 100 YouTube videos, reading 1,000 books. And when you do something every day, you feel like you're living your life with more meaning and purpose, and your days feel longer. Like, I just started doing this a few weeks ago, and I feel like I've learned and unlocked so much abilities in my life. I'm talking to the people that I see as I'm walking here to talk to you right now. I'm just doing fun things in my life. This is also how I stopped watching so much YouTube, stopped relapsing, stopped playing so much video games, by just going out and doing more things in my life. Please don't make up some excuse to not do this. Any reason why you can't do some daily experience, because bro, you have the time. If you're listening to me speak right now, you have time. You could literally have an experience right now. Any reason why you might not want to do some daily experience is just an excuse in fancy clothes. So I really hope you think about this, because as soon as I started doing this, bro, I just felt so much better about my life. I really hope you can think about this and take action on this immediately, because this would have propelled my success and all the things that I wanted in life basically way faster if I just started doing this. So please think about this. I hope you enjoy this little video. Spread this around the algorithm, like, comment, share if you found this video cool, so other people can see this and all have fun experiences in our life. So join the like-minded community in the description, where hundreds of people are in there, including myself, where we all want to grow and develop, and we can all get cool experiences with each other, hold us accountable for things we want to do, and just level up our social skills. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you later. Peace.